Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will teach you the proper way to report bugs in Jira for 2025. Whether you are just starting out or simply need a quick refresher, this tutorial walks you through the entire process of creating a detailed and helpful bug report. Let's get started so your team can resolve technical issues without any confusion. First, navigate to your specific Jira project. This area is the central hub where all project-related tasks are managed. Once you have reached the project page, find and click the Create button to initiate a new ticket. Next, you need to indicate that the issue is a bug. By selecting Bug in the Issue Type field, you help your team categorize the report and address it using the correct workflow. With the basic setup finished, we can move on to the essential details. Start with a short, clear summary that acts as a headline for the problem. For instance, you could write, "User cannot submit form on checkout page." It is important that this title is direct, as it is the first thing your colleagues will notice. After the summary, provide a thorough description of the bug, including every step required to reproduce it. This section must be as detailed as possible, as clear reproducibility allows developers to diagnose and fix the issue much faster. You should also pay attention to the priority field. Selecting an option like low, medium, high, or critical helps the team understand the urgency and the bug's impact on the project. Whenever possible, include attachments such as screenshots or error logs. These files offer visual evidence and technical data that descriptions alone might not capture. Next, assign the bug to the right developer to ensure the process moves forward. You should also add relevant labels like UI bug or payment to make the report easier to find later. Once created, the bug will appear in your backlog or on the board. You can monitor the status as it shifts from to do to in progress and finally done. Also, remember to use the comments for any updates or extra details. By following these steps, you will create excellent bug reports in Jira. Thanks for watching and happy bug reporting.